The Small Business Forum we put together every year to bring businesses together with each other to network, as well as with the county to learn how to do business with the county and be able to grow their business. There is a lot of programs that the county has to support small business, so we're trying to get the information out.
The purpose here is to take a look at, get some ideas of how we can grow our businesses as a small business owner myself, and then how can we connect with people in the county that are here, as well as also partner counties, and we have some federal agency representation here too for the Small Business Administration.
Well, small businesses really are the backbone of America, and in Fairfax County we have so much diversity and so many great ideas and opportunity to go in so many different directions, and the support of the county actually helps people grow those ideas. That's really what the county needs, is fresh ideas and innovation and entrepreneurship.
The county really needs small businesses. We have so many. We have hundreds of small businesses around, and yet there's not enough opportunity for a lot of times the owners to say, can I apply for that contract? And this is the one day a year. It's a free opportunity for them to connect with people within Fairfax County as well as federal government to say, I'm here, let's connect and let's see if we can get a contract together.